A workshop on role of puppetry in education, Reflection NEP 2020, has been organized in virtual mode from 15th to 24th of February 22, and it was an attempt to streamline the teachers and highlights the role of puppetry and allied arts in education. An average of, as I'm told, average of around 94 teachers are participating in this training program from 10 states and union territories of Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Puducherry, Rajasthan, Telangana and West Bengal. The workshop aimed at developing an integrated approach in education by using puppetry as a tool to present the subject matter in an innovative and engaging manner, along with developing ways to encourage creativity and cooperation among the students.